Okay, big thank you to Cat's Cradle for telling me about these seeds that were half off at the Dollar General. Yesterday, when we took Oscar to see his doctor, we stopped, and you see all of these here I got for 17 and 25 cents a piece. That was in a different city, so we stopped on the way back at the Dollar General here in our city, and we got these more. Some of them is low, like the echinacea here was 13 cents a piece. And so don't be afraid to stop at more than one. You'd be amazed at the difference you get. A different selection you can get going to different places. What I cannot use yet this year, because the cabbages and the cauliflower I can use for a fall garden, but what I cannot use yet this year will go in the freezer for next year. Thank you. You have a blessed day.